Right. Find two coterminal angles, one positive and one negative, for the angle 13 pi over 6. Okay. Again, how do you find a coterminal angle? First, where is 13 pi? Well, let's not do that. What did I say? How do you find a coterminal angle? In this case, I would subtract 2 pi. But you could add. You could add, right? Let's say I did that. Let's say I went 13 pi over 6, and I added 2 pi, because that would get me all the way around the circle one time. Well, I would find a need at this point to add fractions. I need a common denominator, right? So this is going to be 13 pi over 6 plus 12 pi over 6, which is 25 pi over 6. That could certainly be a coterminal angle, and it could be the positive angle. Okay. How would we find the negative angle? I mean, we could subtract 2 pi. Go around the circle the opposite way to find the negative, right? If I do that, that's going to be 13 pi over 6 minus 12 pi over 6, which is pi over 6. That's not negative. So how can I find a negative coterminal angle? Subtract 2 pi again. Right? The problem was that this number, the angle we started with was bigger than 2 pi itself. That's why I would have probably done this once to find the positive and then do it again to find the negative. But it doesn't matter. They just said one positive, one negative. That is a good answer. How about if I subtract 2 pi again? Minus 2 pi, which is like pi over 6 minus 12 pi over 6, which is negative 11 pi over 6. So that would be the one positive is here and one negative is here. If I was going to draw that, which quadrant would that be in? Probably the easiest place to see it is in this one. Where would you find the angle pi over 6? Say again? Well, let's see. Remember, we said it starts in radians. It starts 0 there, and it's pi over 2 there, and it's pi there. So where am I going to find pi over 6? Is it between 0 and pi over 2, or between pi over 2 and pi? It's between 0 and pi over 2. Pi over 6 is less than pi over 2. It's actually 1/3 of the way. That is pi over 6. So this is the angle pi over 6. Again, I could get to that terminal side by doing 25 pi over 6, by doing negative 11 pi over 6, by doing 13 pi over 6. They all get you to the same place.